Right, so if you saw the servicing video, this is one of the very small Radiomobile. This is the CB201, which is the same as the Savinet Beta 1000, same as the Ford Roadmaster. Is it 502 or something like that? Anyway, nice, basically dry join. Comes with the original microphone, and it's for a customer. It's box 30 that we're working on, and it's the only set in box 30. As I've listened to this on 19, the burner brigade seems to have come through increasingly rough, and I'm just thinking that I wonder if the speaker's knackered in this. So we'll start off listening to that, and I'll end with listening to that. Tango 21 test. Helps me we're on the right channel. Tango 21 test. Yeah, Roger. Yeah, speaker's knackered.
Right, recording and passing the house.
Roger on that.
Right, we're at the end of the line.
Roger got you at the end of the lane. There's no tone control on this model.
Roger.
Roger got you at the end of the lane. There's no tone control on this model.
Roger that.
Passing Ancaster service station, and it's closed.
Roger got you at Ancaster service station. I think we're only a few minutes late.
Yeah, looks like they're back to closing at 7.
Yeah, Roger on that.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Have you got you going through Ancaster Crossroads?
Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
I'm on the Radiomobile CB201, which is the Savinet 135 chassis from 1981, in the 441 matrix.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger.
now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, you're going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
We've only got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
We've got you at the 5 mile point. So on this Radiomobile CB201 and it's going 1.2 amps to deliver 4 watts. We'll switch to low power, which is set to 400 milliwatts. So here we go, 54321. We're on low power, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5432 and now going 580 milliamps. And back to high power. There we are, back at the full power of 4 watts. Over.
Roger, well that worked great despite a bit of data racket in the background.
Yeah, there is some racket coming in, isn't there? We'll have some phone interference again. Right, off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rawsby level crossing. Over.
You're going over Rawsby level. Today, that's it. Over.
Yep, same as yesterday, 153.7, now 159.9.
Okay, well done, that was worked very well, so thanks for the test. And 10-10.
Yeah, roger that, 10-10.
Okay.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rawsby level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Rawsby level crossing. Do you have any petrol prices today at that end? Over.
Yeah, same as yesterday, 153.7, now 159.9.
Okay, Roger on that. It's worked very well, so thanks for the test. and 1010.
Yeah, roger that. 1010.
1010. Okay, well that worked absolutely super. Need to address the speaker in that. I'll do that right away. So I thought he was going to get away with a very small fee, but he isn't, because speakers aren't cheap. Right, we'll go over to the base station, see what it sounds on the factory original microphone. I'll tell you what, we don't get many Savinet 135s, we'll try it on the standard replacement mic as well.
Tango 21 testing the Radiomobile CB201 with the factory original microphone on the full 4 watts. Just going to switch to low power just in case any hums. There we're on low power 400 milliwatts and then back to high power. There we're back at 4 watts. So we'll just go over to a standard replacement mic. Tango 21 testing the Radiomobile CB201 on a standard replacement microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope you found this one more enjoyable, with it being one of the less usual sets. Thanks for watching.